In the Configuration menu, wireless LAN can be activated under the menu item Connectivity. After a short time, the thermal imager appears in the wireless LAN selection in the smart device with a name and serial number. You then open the app and the thermal imager automatically connects itself. When you open the app for the first time, instructions on the functions of the app appear. There are 3 main modes. The first mode is the function Second Display, in which the screen of the tablet or smartphone functions as a second display. If you switch to the Remote function, you can control the imager remotely and operate all the imager functions by app. In the gallery, images can be imported, processed, and exported. In the top right, you find the settings, where you can call up the instructions again. There is also the possibility of connecting the clamp meter Testo 770-3 or the thermohygrometer Testo 605i with the thermal imager and the app. To do this, first connect the imager by Bluetooth to the instruments and then by wireless LAN to the app.